Hello everyone, just wanted to do a quick video showing you these. It's nothing special. They are door handles. Now I believe these are made from zinc alloy. They're strong. It's a very strong metal. You can get these in different colours. I've got the silver versions. I believe you can get bronze, a gold colour, and obviously this colour. They cost me $1.70 each, which is pretty cheap for something like this. I'm going to put them, let me show you. I've got 3. I'm going to put them on these cupboards and there as well. Probably a little bit small then for this cabinet, but they're ideal for drawers and things like that. So if you want one of these, there's a link in the description below, but something to bear in mind is that when you order them, make sure that you send a message with the screw length that you want. Now I didn't do this, I don't know what, it's just typical of me that, to be honest, but yeah, just make sure you know, check the measurements that you need and send them a message, and you'll get what you need. You can see the dimensions there. Them's the ones I got. So yeah, thanks for watching. Bye.